Hello YouTube, it is me Harkness once again, and I have a brand new toy to show you. It is none other than the 5-cell Type 56 magazine pouch, and I hope you enjoy the video. The Type 56 mag pouch's history is a bit hazy, and I can't find a lot of good online resources, but my best guess is that this mag pouch can trace its history on the Russian 5-cell AK-47 magazines. However, China has begun a rearmament program because communist and capitalist nations were slowly heating up after the conflict in Korea and the cold relations of Stalin and the West post-World War II. The Russians would come to China with their new and improved AKM assault rifles and give the Chinese blueprints on how to create these rifles, and thus they created the Type 56 assault rifle, the most copied version of the AKM. Presumably, around this time, they would copy the Russian 5-cell AK magazine. They would also create the granddaddy of all chest rigs, the Chicom Type 56 chest rig, which is still used today. The Type 56 and the 5-cell pouch would be shipped to Vietnam to fight the Americans, and this is where it's seen its largest deployment, used by both the North Vietnamese Army and Viet Cong guerrillas. Ironically, this same Type 56 cell pouch would be used against China in the Sino-Vietnamese War, and would also see sporadic appearances in conflicts around the world. This 5-cell mag pouch is old but not outdated. As long as there's bullets for the AK-47s, we can be very sure they'll be around. This mag pouch is made out of a heavy-duty canvas and is single-stitched. Unfortunately, as reported by the people behind Fallout, canvas has become rare. Aside from the main pouch, the left and right is where you would keep your cleaning kit and your oil can. Your gear and equipment is secured by... To undo it, just simply remove the loop around the bamboo. This pouch will hold approximately 5 steel AK mags. It will also fit AK-74 mags and a couple M4 style magazines. In order to use this magazine pouch, you must use the shoulder strap and put it around your shoulder. You could put it either to the left or right, it doesn't matter. And you could easily adjust the size. There is a buckle where you could adjust the size. You could put it higher or lower. It's very simple. That's the great thing about this rig, is that it's very simple. Also near the strap are belt loops where you could fasten it around your belt so that your gear will be secured. It will fit regular belts. I've tried it. As for military style belts, I'm not sure, but I'm willing to bet it will be able to fit military belts. I am also unsure about Alice belts. It is very simple. I really like it. It's very, very comfortable. Doesn't really get in the way of anything. I would give this magazine pouch a must-buy for AK users. You could easily find these around eBay for $10 or less if you're lucky. In fact, this mag pouch is like a Billie Eilish song. It will make you say, "Damn, did a kid really make this?" Anyways, this has been me, Harkness. Thank you so much for listening, and as always, life is always good. Make the best out of it. Until next time.